please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Now then, where are we? I'm just making myself a coffee. Cracking night last night. It was round soy 7 and 8. I had quite a bit to drink, but I'm alright. I'm feeling alright. I'm feeling good. Met a few girls, obviously. Got some nice contact details. So, gearing myself up for a bit of a blowout towards the end of the trip. So, I'm just got my coffee and go for an early morning walk. The old Rabadab was in form last night. He had a brilliant time. He can't wait to come back. He cannot wait to come back. I'm probably meeting for breakfast, and then he's setting off just after lunch. So then, I will continue making some vlogs. I better concentrate a little bit more, do a bit more filming, because I'll have more time during the day on my own. We had a good afternoon yesterday, and a massage and a few beers and all that. So I will make some more vlogs. I've got a few little ideas, a few things I want to do. Yeah, even though I've returned to my old ways of drinking and that, I'm feeling alright. I'm not mourning, am I? So I'm just going to freshen myself up, have a shave, cup of coffee, plug my laptop in, have an hour on there, try and answer a few comments, and maybe upload another video. But when I get back to England, God, I've got some editing to do. And maybe have 2 months of footage. This hotel, the vlog's okay. Apart from the water, I can't get it to go up for the last 2 showers. I don't know what it is. So I might mention it to them when I go down to the reception. But it's not bad because it's not freezing, it's not red hot. There's Owen, look, can you see him? Peering around the corner, over and out. Good morning, Thailand! What a beautiful, sunny and red hot day here in Pattaya. I don't know what adventures we'll have today, but I have to put plenty of cream on because it is absolutely blue sky and roasting. So I'm gonna get myself out now, have a bit of a wander and do some exploring. I've had my breakfast yet, I'll have that shortly. I've been told off one of my subs that they've got the new City shirt in Mike's shopping centre. So I will go and investigate when I've got all my money and everything together and sorted out. So I'll go, it's all go, living life in the fast lane. Now then, I've just had a chat with reception about my shower. It's not hot. When I was in the other room on my first stay in Pattaya, it was roasting. I can't get it off, so she's going to send somebody up. I said, you want me to go? No, it's okay, we can look. So I don't know what's happened there. Something might have tripped out. So let's see if we can find the new Champions of England, soon to be FA Cup winners, and soon to be the Champions of Europe's new football shirt. Another cracker in Pattaya. Absolutely roasting. Now I've got a couple of we'll call them targets before I leave. One target is to have a 2-girl massage on Cyber Cow. So we'll do that one afternoon, possibly tomorrow. Another trip down Soy 6, possibly the day after. So text one of the girls today, the massage girl, but she's not got back to me, but it's only 9 o'clock. So I'll give her another 6 hours to wake up. And then we'll see what's happening. But I concentrate here, getting across this road onto Soy Diana. I don't want. Oh, there's my phone. Has she got back to me already? Is she super keen? Now then, where are we? On Soy Diana. Heading down to Mike's. Look at this lad here, he's a cracker, isn't he? Anyway, last night, what a belting night. We ended up Soy 7. Had a few drinks in the Hacienda, DJ bar, A7 DJ bar and Hookup Corner. Cracking girls in all the bars, good fun. Eating some Isan sausage, drinking beer and whatever. We met a nice girl from Hacienda called Winnie, not Vinny, Winnie. And nice girl, very friendly girl. So heading down now to Mike, see if I can get myself a city shirt. I don't even know what they look like really, so I'm going to have a look before I buy it. If they have got one on Google to make sure that it is a new city shirt and not some copy that they've just made up along the way. So we're meeting up with Rabba Dab Dab soon for some breakfast. There's a few dogs here. I'll have to veer right slightly because I don't want it to nip me. Just keep going, Owen, keep going. Stay calm. Count to 10. It's gone. I'm going to tell you a secret about the old Rubber Dab Dab. If I was to put a pussy on his knee, he'd pass out. He'd faint. Yeah, he's got phobia against them. Doesn't like them anywhere near him. The feline versions I'm talking about, he's telling me that since he was a kid, he has panic attacks if you come anywhere near him. So I've never heard of that before, but yeah, he says he can't stand them. It looks like it's not open yet. Don't say it don't open till 11. Bloody hellfire, Owen. It's about 5 to 10 now. You forget sometimes these things, you just get up, oh, I'll go there. Let's have a look. 11 o'clock. Unnecessarily sweating. Sweating for nothing. Come on, Robert, Dab. How do you like that, Robert Dab Dab? Alright.
Is it on now?
Yeah, just point it.
Which way do I do it?
That
I
way.
can't see.
And then that'll go off, but it's still recording.
Right. Absolutely. And I just found it. Yeah, brilliant. Yes, we were just walking in this store and all of a sudden we saw the Man City new shirt. Owen's made up. He's just trying one on. He's in his element, I think, now. Obviously after all the football that he's watched it while he's been here. Yeah. Yeah, she's alright, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Extra large. Yeah.
XL, double XL, double XL.
Double XL, double XL.
That's alright, yeah.
That's it, that's okay, that looks fantastic. Oh, he's made up now. He's absolutely made up. Yeah. Right, okay. Now he's doing a deal. Trying to get it a little bit cheaper. But it's early days. No, I think he's had to part with a full whack.
He's still paying a little bit more than going back.
Right.
I'm over the holidays.
That one won't show your chest off as much. I've never been any good on a camera. She'll be made up now. Bargain of the day. The eyes of Owen has done it again. Chit chat, chit chat.
Not lose this. I've got. I'm gonna put it on here. It was either a girl tonight or a city shirt. Now then, I bought this. It cost me 500. I know I paid a little bit more, but because it was the first one I seen. Well, the rab spotted it. I was an impulse buy. I had to have it, so I paid 500. And then I walked 200 metres, and the guy had one round the corner, exactly the same, for 4. So I could have probably got that for 350. Never mind, never mind.
He's upset.
So I'm going to take this back, get my money back of the 500, and buy the one at 4. I don't think they'll go for that. We're just having a look outside the Space Hotel before we go in Terminal 21 and see if you can buy some sunglasses. So I thought I'd show them in here, in the reception area, maybe try and have a look at a room, but highly unlikely because it's all on an iPad. What do you reckon?
Wow.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's fantastic. Certainly well planned out is this place.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Nice.
Very futuristic.
Futuristic.
That's the word.
The word of the day is futuristic.
Yeah.
Sawadee Krap. Sabari Mai. So we're going to have a look in. I've looked around before, but the old grab's not been in. So this is the reception area. This is where the big money is.
Oh, you can see that.
We've got the water park in like that.
Thunderbirds.
Thunderbirds are gold. Which was your favourite Thunderbird? Mine was that little yellow one.
What, little number 5?
I can't remember the number.
Number 2 was mine.
Yeah.
Well, they picked the pods up, the green one.
Yeah, oh that one,
Yes,
yeah.
I remember buying a cake for Leon, Christopher, when he was only. It made it lovely.
Yeah. So we're just winging it now, having a look round. Sawadee Krap. So this is the outside water park, but you can only get in with a wristband. It's pretty strict security. It's a bit like look at that fake tree there. So it says if you try to sneak in, basically. So that's the water park. Registered visitors are not allowed. Non-registered to enter the hotel area. The hotel reserves the right to fine 5,000 baht. So on that note, we'll make a hasty retreat. I'm in Terminal 21 with the rab, and I've sent him for a posh poo. If you've ever been to the toilets in Terminal 21, you know what I mean. So I've just been in, he's gone in now to experience. Even though he doesn't want one, he's going to sit on the throne and just experience it. It's well worth it. Where have you been?
That's very posh, that.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah. Are we off camera?
No, we're on now.
Oh, right, okay.
Now then, where are we? I'm sat in the... I call it the Coffin Dodgers bar, I don't know. I've heard it called that before. The rab has just gone. He didn't want to be filmed with his emotional goodbye. In an hour he'll be setting off to Bangkok to the airport. So I'm just sat here, I'm waiting for a reply for my massage lady to meet me for a few drinks. Now I've got a bit of a problem. These glasses I bought in Bangkok, they've let me down. That's dropped off. Paid 100 baht for them. I picked them up and it's dropped off, so I've only got one. What did he call them? Arm? One arm on them. Can I take them back and get a refund? Or will they repair them? Or should I just throw them in the bin, walk across the road and buy another pair? Or just walk to my room and pick up a pair that I've already got? Well, I've got about 4 pairs lying around. So, you do get what you pay for, but I haven't half give these glasses some hammer, but I could still use them. They're still balancing, aren't they? They're still balancing, so I might get another few days out of them yet. So this is the route to my room. This floor's slippery as hell. Must have polished it. Let's see if they can work it. Four. I've done it. Hey! I'm learning, I'm getting there. Right, quick shower, change, and then start pressing these buttons on this mobile phone. The rab's gone. He's on his way. So this is my room. 3, 4, 1, 4. Saudi card. Somebody mate. Yes. She's made her bed. She's made her bed in a fashion, not swept up. It don't bother me. Easy come, easy go. See if they fix this shower and it's nice and hot. They won't have done.
Basically, the end of life on this planet. So you're saying we're already fixed? Not necessarily. Back in '96, the drilling effort stopped when we blew up the mothership. There must have been a queen up there that we didn't know about. As soon as this high theory holds true.
Why you won't make me?